What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm on my way to get an everything bagel, and I decided to take you guys along with me. Sorry. Piper just likes to keep yelling at me till I put my seatbelt on, which is good, like a good reminder. I just don't like being yelled at. But as I was saying, today is Sunday, March 1st, I think. It's March 1st. Happy March 1st, a new month. So exciting. Sorry, it's a little shaky, shaky. So I'm gonna update you guys on my life, what's been going on in my life the last month, I guess. So we can do a little recap of February. So, oh, also don't mind my headband. This is the only one I have that keeps my bangs like really back. So we're a bunny rabbit, and we've probably been like this the last couple of videos, but it's okay. I have to invest in some regular ones. So the month of February was a hard month, I guess. So right before I left for my cruise, I quit my job because I was going to work at a hair salon. So I put in my 2 weeks at the place I was working at because I was going to be working at a hair salon. And so I went on my cruise. I was nauseous the first 2 days, whatever. Got back from my cruise. My whole family had the flu. So we had the flu for like a week, and I still have a little bit of my cough from it. So that kind of freaking sucks. But then when I got back from my cruise that Tuesday, I was supposed to start at my new job, which would have been the hair salon. And I went and I hated it. Wasn't for me. So if you don't know me, or you don't know some of my life, if you're new to my channel and this is the first video you're popping up on, I went to school for cosmetology. I started in 2017. I graduated in 2018, and I haven't done hair in over a year because, oh, that's why I'm sweating, my heat's on. I haven't done hair in over a year because I had like a really bad experience in school. I hated school. School was literally like the worst ever. I hated getting clients. I hated it. And I know like not everybody is gonna love school. Some people love school, which is great. Love that for you. It wasn't me. So after I graduated, I actually was having a really hard time deciding if I was actually gonna finish cosmetology school. So I pushed through it. I finished it. After I finished it, I was like, I'm not doing hair for a really long time. But of course, I still wanted to get my license and stuff. So I did take all the required testing to get my cosmetology license. So I am a licensed cosmetologist. Anyway, but I had such a bad experience in school, and I went into the salon and I just hated it. I already did like 2 people because like I was told I was gonna be a, like, I don't know, a receptionist or something. I think that's what it's called, where I would like take phone calls at first and like do laundry or stuff like that, just in the beginning, just before like, so I get comfortable with like the salon atmosphere again. And as soon as I walked in, she's like, take that client, go wash their hair. And I was like, whoa, this is weird, but okay, like come back with me. I washed his hair, did everything, and like stuff like that. And I was very taken back because literally everything I was told I was gonna do was not what I was doing, and I already had a client. She's like, we're throwing you in here and all that stuff, and I was like, oh no, we're not doing that. So I decided that day, I was also still sick. I threw up that morning still sick from the flu, and my period was close, so I was like so emotional. I was crying literally over everything, and so I just said, it's not for me, I'm not gonna do it, I'm going home. Sorry, the lighting's so bad. Anyway, so I went home, I cried some more. I literally cried that day, the entire day. It was so bad. And then I didn't have a job, so I was jobless. And it was so weird because I didn't like like, of course nobody likes being jobless, but I thought that like I could focus on my YouTube more, my TikTok more. I've been jobless for 2 weeks, and I was like, it's so hard for me to film YouTube videos because my sister, I share a room with my sister, she moved back in because she couldn't pay her bills. And so it was harder to film videos because she would sleep till 12 to, like, she just doesn't care. And like, my dad gave her a time that she needed to be up because I get up early, so it wasn't fair for me, and she still doesn't listen. So it is now 12 o'clock and I just finished filming my makeup tutorial because she didn't wake up till she had to go to work, which is like so frustrating because I'm trying to make YouTube my job. I want to get as much filming as I can done in a day, because there are some days where I can't film or I just don't feel like filming because everybody gets in those funks, and it's just frustrating that she doesn't care or all that stuff. And I'm so bored. Unless like my boyfriend's off, I'm so bored at being at home literally every day, and I thought it would be so much fun and I would love being home. But I feel like if I had like my own house, it would be different because like it's my home and everything. But so I've been struggling for those 2 weeks, and I finally was like, you know what, I'll just go back to Publix. If you guys don't know, I used to work at Publix. I worked there for 4 years, and I left abruptly because there was so much going on there, so much drama, like friend stuff, like toxic people stuff, and I just left. And then I was like, you know what, I don't want to deal with this anymore. People are spreading lies about me which aren't true, talking shit about me, and I just don't deserve to be treated that way. So I found a new job that day, quit Publix that day, started my new job the next week, and I loved that job. That job was so much fun. I do miss it, but at the same time I don't miss waking up at 6:30 in the morning at all. Like, I don't miss that. I do miss the people that are there. So I'm going to a different Publix this time, so I'm not going to my original store, which I'm upset about, but I'm also happy about. Like, I get a new fresh start, which is nice, but I don't know anybody there, which kind of freaks me out because I don't like meeting new people. But it's all gonna be okay. Your girl has a job. I'm just waiting. I took my drug test to see if I can work there. So I took my drug test, waiting for that to get back, and then I'll be going to orientation again because it's been over 6 months since I worked at Publix. So I have to go back to orientation. I haven't been to orientation in 4 years, 5 years now, which is crazy. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'll be working there again, so your girl won't be jobless. But yeah, I've been jobless for 2 weeks, and I'm not living my best life, and I've been struggling because I've been trying to make what I had in my bank account work. I didn't know I was gonna be jobless, so I didn't save, you know? So I've been struggling with having money and stuff like that for the last 2 weeks, which sucks. But it's all good. I have a supportive boyfriend, and he helps me if I need help, or I don't know. I don't deserve him. He literally treats me so well, and I don't know. I just am very grateful to have him. Not, like, he's just very, very supportive. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like, without him, I think I would have struggled way more in this entire month, because without having his support or his help through all of it, I think I would have gone crazy, and I would have like wanted to like cry even more than I already did. So I'm very grateful to have him in my life, and him being so supportive in everything that I do and all of that. So I don't know, I thought I would update you guys on everything that's been going on, because it's just been a crazy month. Like, you don't even like understand. Like, it's been so freaking crazy. But yeah, so now I'm on my way to Dunkin Donuts because my mom's giving me money to pick up munchkins for everybody, and for me to get an everything bagel, which is so exciting. I love their everything bagels. I discovered them like a week ago, and I've been obsessed. And my mom loves their munchkins, so I was like, hey mom, I'll go pick up munchkins if you pay. And she said, okay. I said, okay. So free food, love that. I had Chick-fil-A yesterday, that was delicious. I still haven't eaten today. It's 12:30, so I'm so freaking hungry, it's not even funny. But yeah, so that's what's been going on with my life. That's why I've been, I don't know, absent, but like I haven't been, but like I have been. if that makes sense. Like, I shouldn't be absent because I'm literally jobless and I could be putting out videos every day, but it's hard when like my sister sleeps half the day away and like I can't film, and then by the time she wakes up and stuff, like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Dunkin and get my food and I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, so I have my Dunkin. I got a everything bagel. I will show you because it is beautiful. This, if you don't get an everything bagel, what bagel do you get? I want to know. Because this, oh my god, can you see that? Of course you can't. Oh my god, it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it when I get home. And then we have our 50 count munchkins. We got regular glazed and cake, chocolate cake. I forget what it's called. Like the chocolate cake. I don't know. What did I even ask for? I asked for chocolate and the chocolate cake donut? I guess that's how I asked for it, a chocolate cake donut. And then the glazed because my siblings like the glazed. And my mom and I like the chocolate, and then one of my other siblings likes the chocolate one too. So I got those, and then the guy was so sweet. He complimented me. He said I was so pretty, and it just makes my day. So I, like, to everyone, I suggest you compliment at least one person today because it literally makes someone's day. And I think it is something really sweet you should do. So I will do that myself. I will compliment someone today. A stranger, not someone you know, or it could be someone you know. I literally tell my boyfriend he's handsome every day, so I'll be telling him, but I'll also be telling a stranger as well. I just think it's so sweet and it really makes someone's day. So you should do that. But now I'm on my way home. I'm stuck in Sunday traffic. Love that for me. But, oh, I wanted a soda from McDonald's. And Jack in the Box soda is disgusting. So now I can't get a dollar soda. Now I'm sad. I'll just go home and drink water. Because your girl needs to drink more water, but she hates water. But I'm gonna end the video here. We talked so much. I know you guys are probably so tired of hearing me talk because I literally can just ramble on for so long that it actually gets annoying. But so thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. What? I was gonna say, tell me what your favorite Dunkin' Donut is. Your favorite donut at Dunkin' Donut is, because I would love to know. My favorite's the chocolate one. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.